Hello students, next exercise questions 12.3. First question is find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 2, 3, 5 and 1 minus 4, 6 in the ratio in that first one 2:3 internally and 2:3 externally. So here we have to simplify this one in two cases, that is internal division and external division. So first consider the section formula, both the formulas, that is first one is the coordinates of the point R which divides the line segment joining the points P of x1 y1 z1 and Q of x2 y2 z2 internally in the ratio m:n. That is by using this formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. So here first we have to find out the value of the point R of xyz be the point that divides the line segment joining the points -2, 3, 5 and 1 minus 4, 6 internally in the ratio 2:3. So replace here coordinates x1, y1, z1 as -2, 3, 5, x2, y2, z2 as 1 minus 4, 6 internally in the ratio 2:3 means m value is 2 and n value is 3. So here substitute the values. So first coordinate is x1, that is x equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Next like that y coordinate my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus 1, like that third coordinate mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. So simplify this equation, you will get the coordinates of x, y, z, that is -4 by 5, 1 by 5 and 27 by 5. Thus the required coordinate of the required point is -4 by 5, 1 by 5 and 27 by 5. So this is the required value for the internal division value. Therefore next second point is the coordinate of the point R which divides the line segment joining the points P of x1 y1 z1 and Q of x2 y2 z2 externally in the ratio m:n/r. So just replace here sign, that is instead of plus use here minus. So use this formula to simplify the internal division value. So substitute the value for m and n and x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 values. Next substitute the values here, so you will get the values x coordinate as mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Next my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n and mz2 minus nz1 divided by m minus n. So you will get the values this much, that is first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate. So this is the required result. Next second question is given that point P of 3, 2 minus 4, Q of 5, 4 minus 6 and R of 9, 8 minus 10 are collinear, then find the ratio in which Q divides PR. So here if you want to show here collinear, we have to prove by using this procedure, that is let us consider the point Q of 5, 4 minus 6 divide the line segment P and R. So they not given the ratio, so we have to use the note, that is k:1. k:1. Therefore required formula will be coordinate of the point R, that is Q, that is 5, 4 minus 6 equal to kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1, next kz2 plus kz1 divided by k plus 1. So replace here values. That is, after simplification, you will get 5 4 minus 6 equal to 9k plus 3 divided by k plus 1, 8k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. Next, third coordinate is minus 10k minus 4 divided by k plus 1. So here alternative corresponding values are equal. That is, x coordinate equal to x, y coordinate equal to y, z coordinate equal to z. So take any one of the coordinate, you will get the value of y. So if you taken here first coordinate, that is 9k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to 5. Simplify this one and separate the value of k. So here 9k plus 3 equal to 5 divided by k plus 1. Therefore take k plus 1 to this side, that is 9k plus 3 equal to 5 into k plus 1, that is 5k plus 5, this value. Next you will get here 9k minus 5k equal to 4k. Next 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Therefore you will get k equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So this ratio is nothing but k is to 1. So k equal to 1. Next is to 1 equal to 2. Therefore this is nothing but k equal to m divided by n. Therefore next question is, find the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment joining the points P of 4, 2, minus 6 and Q of 10, minus 16 and 6. So here they given the trisect of that coordinates. Trisect means the line segment divides the points in the ratio tri means 3. So either you have to consider 2:1 or 1:2. So if you consider m equal to 2, consider n equal to 1. Next, if you consider m equal to 1, you have to consider n equal to 2. Therefore, consider here two cases. For that, let AB be the point that trisect the line segment joining the points P of 4, 2, minus 6 and Q of 10, minus 16, 6 are. So consider these 2 points. A and B are the any 2 points. Let A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, by the section formula, you will get here coordinates of the point are. So consider m equal to 1, n equal to 2. Next, substitute the coordinate values, that is m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n plus n y1 divided by m plus n, m z2 plus n z1 divided by m plus n. So equal to remaining coordinate, that is 6 minus 4 minus 2. Therefore the point B divides the ratio in the ratio 1:2. Therefore simplify this value, you will get this. Next, point P divides PQ in the ratio 2:1 means simplify this one, you get the coordinate as this much. Next, thus 6 minus 4 minus 2 and 8 minus 10 2 are the points that trisect the line segment joining the points either P of 4, 2, minus 6 and Q of 10, minus 6, 6 as 6 minus 4 minus 2 or 8 minus 10 2. This is the required result.